So now that the nicer weather's starting to come in, I thought I'd take the time to do a more in-depth mapping tutorial. So all the way through from mapping, planning, through to processing and delivering to clients through a portal. Basically things that I do on a pretty regular basis. But I want to make sure that it's focused on what you need. So I don't know whether you need to use a commercial drone, a consumer drone, what software you're interested in. So I put together a quick questionnaire, and if you guys could take 2 minutes and just take the time to go through, answer. There's only about 10 questions in there. It can be anonymous. It's entirely up to you. I would love that, and it would really help me make sure that I deliver to you what you need. And I hope that has some interest. Only fill it in if you're interested in mapping, but if you are interested in mapping, I'd love to hear from you. So the link is in the description, and I look forward to hearing from you. See you soon.